articles. The indefinite article a is used before a word which has a consonant sound and something that is a part of a group or we are talking about it for the first time. Example: this is a unique idea. He is a topper. I saw a good movie yesterday. Please give me a glass of water. An is used before a word with a vowel sound. An is indefinite article. Example: he is an unknown guy. My father is an MBBS doctor. She is an educated person. Sanju wrote an email to her best friend. He is an honest man. The is used to refer to specific or particular words. The is definite article. Example: we traveled all over the country. The earth goes around the sun. India is the land of hospitality. There are some exceptions like country's name, India, Sri Lanka. We can't say the with country's name. Language like Bengali, Tamil, we don't use the with language. Name, any person name, city's name, etc.